Hello guys, let's take a look at a fridge pen holder. This one is a 1.5 liter fridge. They even have all the tips on how to organize the fridge. This one costs around 600 rupees or around $12. For that you get a fridge with a cute looking Pepsi logo. You can get it in multiple logos, even multiple colors like the Coca-Cola one or the 7-Up one. There is a, you remove the tray and put some pens in. Even you can use a divider to divide your pens and pencils or markers, etc. The fridge opens like a regular fridge. You can put all kind of office stationery inside. There is a small box where you can put even bigger items. You can put notes and all the other stuff on the top. You can put like stapler or something like that below. And there is quite a bit room for all kind of office things that you can put inside. And when you close, it's neat and tidy on your desktop. That space is too big for a pen, but you can put something small inside. They even suggest putting a few notes on the fridge, just like the regular fridge. It even has a magnetic door, so there is some resistance. And they have all these organizing tips. I don't know whether you get all those accessories inside, but I didn't get any. All in all, a fun pen holder. That's the magnetic door that I was talking about. Bit pricey. Nice one. Check it out. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click the like button. Subscribe to get more videos every day.